Okay, so you will need 30 volume developer, and I'm going to be using the copper red. I am using 2 boxes, so I'm going all the way up to the 170 line. I put that first little pouch on here. These little ones, and this is what gives it the color. Be careful because I'll let it kind of sit there for a little bit. It's kind of like orangey, like dark pumpkin-y. Kind of reminds me of like fall. This is like how my roots are right now. The hair dye that I used before was still HiColor, but I had used 2 different ones. It was Intense Red and the Violet. So it's my first time trying that one out. Let's see how that goes. Don't forget gloves. So my hands like this. Every time I do this, I always feel like it's my first time doing it. It's like the orange color, so I'm worried on how this is gonna turn out. Keep doing my hair, and I will show you what it looks like later. Hey, what's up? So I am done with my hair, obviously, and I've washed it about 2 times, so it's been about 2 weeks since I dyed it, but I just kind of wanted to show you what it looks like. I recommend if you want to get a red hair, you know, do it at home because you're gonna save some money. The color that I wanted wasn't exactly this color. I feel like it just kept this color on it, but I like it. I'm definitely not going black, which I was considering going black again, but I want to play with this color a little bit more. I've had my hair like this for almost a year. I'm not like a hair guru, and I you know, sometimes go 2 or 3 months without dyeing my hair, and I'm just walking around with, you know, black roots, which I'm trying not to do anymore because it's kind of embarrassing. And leave me some comments, you know, if you have any suggestions as to what to add to like shampoo and things like that. Previously I did have my hair black, and the very first time that I did it, I did have to do it twice. So I did it 2 times that same night. It's the first time that I did it, like my roots were like super bright, and then the rest of my hair was like not. It was still black. So then that same night, because I had to work the next day, and I was like, I'm not going with freaking red roots on my hair and freaking black, oh, the rest of my hair. So I did it the second time, and I just kind of avoided touching my roots, and I dyed everything else. So if you're dyeing your hair just straight from black, I advise, since your roots are hot and they're warm and they kind of like, you know, cuck the dye a little bit more, then definitely dye the bottom part first, like maybe like from here down, dye it. And as you can see, like my roots are already growing in because my hair grows really quick. But I did start using like a hair conditioner from Fructis. Let me bring you what I use. This is the conditioner that I use, and this is the shampoo, and I just went and I got it from my shower, so it's kind of like has soaps come on it. And then after I get out of the shower, I use this. So I kind of just like dry it. And I started drying my hair with a, it's just like an old t-shirt that I used to have. Well, it's actually not mine, it was my boyfriend's. But I started drying my hair with an old t-shirt, and then I started putting this on it. And it kind of, I feel like my hair usually is always frizzy, and it really does help. Like, and it's only like, I want to say like $5 at Dollar General, that's the only store that I have in my area. So yeah, it's pretty good. I like it. It makes my hair feel super nice, and it's not expensive, which I like too. I really like this conditioner. It smells really pretty. This one's like almost done, and then, you know, the shampoo, I have a bunch, you know, and this is gonna last me a long time, and it's not expensive. And I would suggest, like, if you're gonna do your hair red, don't wash it that much. I used to wash it a bunch and it was just like fade off. But obviously, if you have your hair red and it's like red enough, when it fades, it's not gonna turn black. It just, and if it's like a, you know, if it's like a copper tone, then it is gonna turn orange. But if it's more like kind of like a red, like purpley, it's not gonna turn orange. Especially in the summer, which it's about to start being summer, I'm kind of scared because I like showering during the summer. It's hot. I want to shower my whole body. I don't just want to shower my body. I want to shower my hair too, and I want to get in the lake. But I am gonna diet. I want to stay in about 2 or 3 weeks. I need to order the hair dye because I bought it at Sally's, but I have to drive about an hour to the closest Sally's to me, and on Walmart.com it's cheaper. It's about like $2 or $3 cheaper than Sally's. So I mean, it's $3. You know, you can get like with buying 2, you get 1 extra one for the same price. So, you know, definitely take that into consideration. If you don't have a Sally's in your area, Walmart.com is your friend. If you're not for Walmart, you know, you can try Sally's.com. But definitely, like, you can get this, you know, anywhere that you live, even if you live in like a rural area, you can get the hair dye. Just make sure, you know, that you just take care of your hair, and that's it. Thanks for watching my video. Bye.